People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. The Integrity Commission has been encouraged to make public when public servants once found in breach has been cleared of wrongdoing, because it is important that the reputations of these individuals are protected. Former Chief Executive Officer of the Registrar General's Department, Charlton McFarlane, pleading guilty to breaches of the Integrity Commission Act after failing to submit his statutory declarations for 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022. Mr. McFarlane has since been cleared of criminal liability.
Without more, the public wouldn't know that the matter has been resolved. And in a case like his, you trade on your reputation. And so I believe if he has satisfied everything that you have asked of him, and he has also dealt with the court matters, I think it is important to indicate, even if it's a letter to him or to the committee, to say he has successfully dealt with the issues and there is nothing outstanding. He was the head of the RGD. It was all over the media, and it's important that the public knows for his own future employment prospects that he has complied with what you have asked him to do.
Prime Minister Holness's statutory declaration have remained uncertified for 2 consecutive years. The Integrity Commission has asked him to respond to a second set of questions concerning these declarations, which have been outstanding since 2021 and 2022. Despite this, he has not faced charges similar to those brought against Mr. McFarlane. This discrepancy raises questions about fairness and equal treatment under the law. In my opinion, the enforcement of these regulations should be consistent, irrespective of the individual's position. If lower-level public servants are charged for non-compliance, the same standard should apply to higher-level officials, including the Prime Minister. Thanks for watching.